Gates open, that up and race. Gondor draws for your lead. Moonraker running by the rail. New chapter 2. Chinelli racing in fourth. Wow, as Renzi stays. Yes! Capitana running by the rail. Goldation, Hakuna Matata, and Red Hot Water is running at the tail of the field by about 14 to 15 lengths up the leader, heading towards the last 800. Gondor leading the field. New chapter is running in second by the rail. Goldation now racing in third. Then down in fourth, Chinelli, Moonraker, Wow West, yes, Capitana, then Hakuna Matata, Renzi stays, and a long way back to Red Hot Water, rounding at the last 450. Gondor still leading the field by about 3 lengths. Wow West, Chinelli, New Chapter, Goldation, Hakuna Matata is sorry outside with the last 200 meters more to run. Gondor still leading the field. Wow West is in second. Hakuna Matata is sorry outside. But Gondor still leading the field by about 3 lengths. Wow West in second. Hakuna Matata. And finally, Gondor. Wow West. Hakuna Matata, Renzi stays, Chinelli. Then comes Goldation, Red Hot Water, New Chapter, number 4, Moonraker. And yes, Capitan.